Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Ortur Laser Master 3 and it's the latest laser engraver from Ortur that's on the market with a price tag of $700. The 10-watt laser model of Ortur Laser Master 3 is powerful enough to work on wood, paper, leather, plastic, foam, fabric, acrylic, metal, stone, even rubber, and so on. With this price tag, you will get 40 by 40 cm work area, 10-watt laser output power with manual laser focus gouge. This laser engraver has a maximum speed of 20,000 mm per minute, supports Wi-Fi connectivity, USB and micro SD card, which is provided when you purchase the machine. Please bear in mind that the engraver does not work without the SD card and it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi when using Laser Explorer via mobile app. It supports Lightburn, Laser GRBL and Laser Explorer. The machine is packed with safety features such as laser protective acrylic shields, emergency stop button, gyroscope sensors and a safety key. It supports rotary attachment which can be purchased separately. Lastly, the assembly time took about 45 minutes. It only weighs 6.5 kg and comes with 1-year warranty. Here is what you will get when you buy an Ortur Laser Master 3. I have tested it for engraving and cutting on both aluminium and plywood. Here is one of my first projects and a video of how it was made. say the cloth came out perfect. If you decide to make this cloth, please leave a comment and I will be happy to share the file with you. You can get good engravings on plywood at 50% power and 6000 mm per minute speed. If you want quick jobs, you can increase power to 100% at 12,000 mm per minute. And now, here is my next project. I have engraved one of my kids' image on this plywood with 100% power at 12,000 mm per minute speed. Then, I used the cutting feature to turn it into a puzzle with 100% power at 200 mm per minute speed. The plywood thickness is 3.6 mm and it cut in one pass. For my next project, I used the metal business card and engraved my channel banner along with a QR code. And yes, the QR code works perfectly. The settings for this project that I used was 100% power with 600 mm per minute speed. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. The pros of this product is having excellent engraving quality, 0.8 mm laser focus depth, fast maximum speed of 20,000 mm per minute speed, on and off key like industrial machines. The only cons that I found is 20 watt laser upgrade is not available. Here are some settings that you could work with. Overall, I highly recommend this product. It's very easy to use, it comes with many safety features, which is very important especially if you have small kids. It supports many materials and provides excellent engraving quality. If you are interested in buying Ortur Laser Master 3, I have included the purchase link in the description below, or if you have any question, please comment below and I will be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to see more review videos like this. See you again soon.